Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I'm actually testing out um, a new workflow with everything for Forex. I'm not a big fan of Forex. I find the corrupt brokers are corrupt and all that fun stuff. By the way, if you are interested in this set of topics, Forex, crypto, wave, whatever, automated trading, come on over to my quantlabs.net/book, get signed up, and you'll get some new free book stuff and get on their newsletter. Other than that, let's check out what's going on in the world of Forex right now. What's happening in Forex is I'm testing out a few things here. I built a new scan with harmonics. I find harmonics is a good testing first wave of tests to see what's worthy right now to trade or even look at. So I got this new scan called Harmonic for Forex. It scans everything. This is with a Wanda bar size. Now, when it comes to harmonics, you should at minimum have 4 hours. Daily may work too. And then there's really no criteria. We just choose all types of harmonics. So when you scan it, these are the results. We scan 69 assets, including CFDs. What you'll find here, the only CFD that might be on here, and remember there's the short and the long, is when you look at, I sort by, as I said, by excellent score. Here for Brent crude, here down here is the price target for this harmonic. I don't really care about the type of harmonic. All I care about is the price target on a long and a short. Starting out with these type of workflows and a new trading platform at the beginning, what I do look for right now, just to save a lot of pain, is just focus on the longs, and then down the line, master that, and then start looking at the shorts. I've shown a video earlier today on crypto. Obviously, with crypto, you can only do long. Here, we can do both short and long. A couple of things we need to factor in is spread cost. So it's another big thing we need to factor in. So this might be a great trade here, the euro and the Norwegian, but the spread might be pretty prohibitive. Same with the Swedish as well, and the Mexican as well. So let's check out these individually. And you can see here the chart does get loaded up. Here, this is a short opportunity potentially. I'm going to show you the 1 day. You can see here the price target is down here at point D. So I'm not really interested in that. That's a short. Australian against the franc, same. Australian against the dollar. Now, this is totally different. If I look at the daily, you can see here this is a Gartley. You can see here it's very close actually to the target. I could probably put an alert here or even just put an open trade to see what will happen. So this is a pretty good indicator. And the other way I can know that is when you start getting other harmonics at the same time, it's pretty safe to say that this is a very good pair right now to trade, Australian against the Canadian dollar. Here we know we might have some opportunities here with BCO, Brent crude oil, which again is a shorting opportunity, but again I don't know. So we'll just right now focus potentially on the Australian Canadian. So here's the European Norwegian. Now again, if I look at the daily from a historical point of view, you're looking at the end of October. To get to these price levels here on this, we need to probably wait it out. But on the other hand, one thing I do notice here is that they do put a price target for December 4th at roughly 1834 for this trade. So it's only 3-4 days away. So this might be a really good trading opportunity as well, beside it being, one of those high cost pairs. So if I was to look at a trend line here from the low to, let's say, as a potential opportunity here to set as a target, you can see here's one entry we could have taken. Here it's going to be way too late in the opportunity. So what other entries can we look at? What I've been testing lately, let me just blow this puppy up, is the two studies, combined studies really. is first is the RSI, which is, where is it? The RSI relative strength indicator. So we're just going to use the defaults for this on the 4-hour, 14-day. And then I'll also do the same thing with the other study as well, which is the Bollinger width right here, Bollinger band width, BBW as I call it. Keep those as well. So in here we have two opportunities. So you can see right here on November 28th, 21 o'clock would have been a great opportunity because it did cross that that 50, but at the same time, let's see if I can put these two, pair these two studies together. I don't know how to do this yet. Let me see if I can. Okay, it doesn't matter. All right, so right about here, when the BBW is at a low point, but it's still blowing through the RSI at the same time. That's the time when to trade. So this could have been here or back here as well. But definitely you can see something happening here. But this might not be a good pair. Let me see what else we've got here. So we're looking at, that's a short, pound against New Zealand. This is again another short. We are looking at USD Mexico. Okay, so this is another interesting one. Here's a 1 day. You can see here it's setting a price target. Oh, I think that's way off. Yeah, it's going to take a couple of weeks to get to that level at 2038. So I'm not too confident with that, but there may be some opportunities there on the intraday. So if I looked at, again, those two studies, RSI with the BBW. Let's see here. Okay. And then we shall, so you can see here the BBW is below. Just this is right now an opportunity may be coming about. So if I was to look at the RSI as well, same standard. So you can see here, this may have been the opportunity on November 29th at 1 o'clock again. And that's the RSI just breaking through the 50. So as you can see here, it is kind of at the historical level, but it's just flattening now, tightening up. And it may, and once that RSI at this level starts to break through the 50, then its chances are you may have an entry and you may have an upward move towards this target. So let's continue looking at what else we have here. What else? We got 3 more. Okay, so you can see how convicting, how much compelling it is because of the two combo harmonics that we've got. We've got the Shark and Cipher, and the same thing with the Canadian and Swiss franc as well. So let's check out those opportunities as well. And but this is a short opportunity. So really, the only ones for long is either the USD Mexico, which I don't think I would do, or the Australian Canadian. So you could see those massive moves up just today, or sorry, November 29th at 1300, all the way up to up here over that time frame of today. Big moves. So let's check out the studies here, RSI, and the other one of BBW. So you can see here, we have missed out this opportunity, but the right time would have been yesterday, December 21st, 21 o'clock, roughly. Yeah, that before that takeoff happened. That's on the 4-hour, and then on the BBW, or that's the BBW. Let me see RSI. So the RSI took off. Yeah, same time roughly, and that would have worked. That would have been a big monster trade for those that were to be on that. So that might still move up though. Those are big moves. So that's another nice trade that has happened. But as I'm still figuring all this out, I'll be automating some of this with Python. But I can easily build this trade, building an alert, and then trade it within Motive Wave because this is a way. And then obviously you can trade with Motive Wave in Forex. Once again, if you are interested in these type of topics, you can always come over to the book page here, if I can get it properly, right here at quantlabs.net/book, and submit all your info, and you'll get in on the cool newsletter we got. All right, we shall talk to you later. Have a good day, and all happy trading and all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching.